I am very cold. We were given our first freeze warning of the year tonight for South Georgia. We will check back and see how Mr. Smokey Bear is doing later.
I'm Danny, and welcome to my channel, where my experiences become your adventures. Well, as you can see, I'm ready for that cold weather. But then again, I wear shorts year-round. But let's go take care of that stuff outside so we can prepare for that cold weather.
I will first protect my most delicate outdoor plants. I will simply use a blanket to cover them. I will have to drag out my greenhouse eventually, but this cold front was a bit of a surprise. Another option would have been to place them indoors or even in the garage. Protection from frost and from that northern icy cold wind is the key. I can't forget about my newly planted aloes. They are still a little fragile. I will use a couple of landscaping blocks to prevent the wind from blowing the blanket away. Even though the swimming pool is not being used because of the cooler season, I still have to pay attention in protecting its plumbing. I will simply run the pump during threats of freezing weather. This keeps the water circulating and will prevent busted PVC pipes. I need to protect my water spigots. Two of them I can use faucet protectors. These insulate the spigots from freezing winds. A valuable tip is to always remove the water pressure in your water hoses. This prevents damage to the hose and sprayer during freezing temperatures. I will have to allow one of my spigots to drip. This movement of water prevents it from freezing up. And by the way, please subscribe to my channel. I also need to shut off my yard irrigation supply and purge the pressure out of the system. This also prevents costly repairs due to freezing temperature damages. And lastly, let's don't forget about our pets. I don't have no real dog, so he'll be fine to leave outside at night.
Whew! I got that done. Just remember, a little preparation can save you big time headaches later, like busted pipes. So let that cold weather roll through. I'm prepared. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. Until the next time.
I'm Smokey the Bear, and I finally found some place I can warm up.